Alright guys, gals, welcome back to Step 1 Survival. I'm Staff Sergeant Badass. Today I've got a very large survival kit. It's 460 pieces. Well, with everything going on in the world, you might want to be prepared for anything that could happen. And before you panic buy and buy one of these kits, you'll get to see it here and you'll decide for yourself, hey, maybe that's not for me. Maybe I should build my own kit. Or, hey, that's a pretty good deal. I think I'm going to buy that one. So, without further ado, I have Faith Guard is the company name, product name, but we'll go check it out. All right, this is the trick here. This guy here, it's a pretty fat bag. I got kind of curious. I opened it up in one end before I made this video. I like to kind of, well, if it doesn't make much sense, I don't really show it. And it has to be somewhat decent or I don't show them. So I confirmed this one was fairly decent, so I wanted to share. That's usually how these all start. So what we'll do, we'll just kind of go in through the front here and just start pulling things out. Right off the bat, we have a tourniquet. Now it comes with an items list, an itemized items list. This is ridiculous. That is huge. I've never seen anything this big before. And the link to this will be at the drop down. Comes with a tourniquet. It's a fairly decent tourniquet. I'm not going to unpackage and stuff back in every single item. Sometimes I just don't like losing stuff. Comes with a couple of carabiners. Pretty basic. I'm not going to spend a lot of time on that. Alright, foraging guide. It actually comes with a foraging guide and tips. See, I saw this stuff right off the bat and I was like, wow, that's kind of cool, man. I mean, this thing's loaded. All the little details that you need to know. Pretty nifty. I must have spent a lot of time putting that together. Oh, look. I got these all over the place. Black walnuts. It's crazy. You can actually stain blades with black walnuts. You can do a lot of stuff with that. What else we got here? You got Knots Guide. These cards. And if you like these cards, I got something real quick. Now, 2 minutes out of this. This is not in the kit, but I thought I would share. If you're interested, like these things here that are in this kit, I've found these to be interesting for kids. You got all your knots, fishing knots, water, saltwater knots, boating, sailing knots, horse knots. I haven't put these together yet, but I was going to give them to the kids so that they can learn. It's just another good item to share with your family. Oh my goodness. More bracelets. You know how many of these I've got? I get every single episode, I think I get another one. And another one. And another one. I've got them daisy chained. I've got them daisy chained together and they're in my Christmas box. I'm actually going to wrap these around the Christmas tree this year. I figured by Christmas I would have like enough to go all the way around the tree pretty good. Yeah. Zip ties. Zip ties are good. Oh man, it's the little cheap shovel. Oh, these are the cheapest, dude. These are the cheapest right here. It's like that. See, now, these are all well and good, but I've shown before how easy they just bend. I mean, you're kind of, it's a check in a box, you're adding a shovel. I mean, you could probably use that for digging up poop or whatever, but you can just bend it like, psh. I could just totally crush that thing if I wanted to. And I've shown that before. Oh, we got a little triangular bandage there. I wonder how many items are in this thing. Here's that freaking, you've seen those. There's your operator card for it. So it tells you what each item is. Those are good to have in your wallet. What first aid kit. Let's see what all's in this first aid kit. Did they itemize this too? I'm dumping it, dude. I'm dumping it. I want to know what's in it. We get very strict about first aid kit. Wife's an ER trauma nurse, so we get very picky. Got a good set of bandages there. Oh, iodine. That's great. You break that, and it fills the Q-tip up, so you can clean your wounds. Then you've got regular ones here. It looks like that might be like alcohol. Yeah, those are alcohol. Wow, I got the China writing all over it. That's cool though. You got iodine alcohol. That's pretty neat. I've never seen that. I've never seen that in a kit for wound pads, sting relief, little soap wipe. You gotta know what it's in here. What's that thing that looks different? Cleaning wipes. Cleansing wipe, alcohol pads, mouth guard for giving mouth to mouth on junkies. There's your shears, medical tape, clothespins. That's about it for that. Hey, that with the tourniquet, you got something going on there. Jute cord. Jutes for making fire. I like to break it up into pieces though. I don't just leave it like that. It's got beeswax and jute string. Makes good fire tinder. A little fishing kit. Pretty decent. What's this? Proscenium rod. Some of the items start to kind of look the same, and then I see a lot of things I don't see. There's a good barrel rod. Proscenium rod. There's your cotton wool balls. Hey, you can mix that with some Vaseline. Make you some fire tinder. Whoa, look at that little guy. That's a cute little thing of matches there. Look at that. Waterproof matches. Those decent. Wow, look at the length on those things. Dude, son. That's crazy. That's a neat little... That's cool. Kind of like this in there. More cotton balls. No word. Gloves. Vinyl gloves. Vinyl gloves. We could have some gloves. That's it for this part. And got the other part down here. There's more. There's a lot more actually. You can feel it's a big chunk. Alright. Paracord. Gotta have paracord. A cold pack. More medical equipment. There's a lot of medical stuff in this one. Got 1, 2, 3. Where's the fourth glove? There it is. 4. These things are like dollar store special right here. So those are cheap, but I mean it protects your hands, but still kind of cheesy. A phone protector. You slide your phone in it. And, well, we are living in that kind of time, aren't we, where everyone just about has a phone, so I guess that would make sense for somebody. Oh, cool. It's one of these things. I love these. These are always fun to play with. Ooh, wow. This is a bright color. Wow, dude. That's like upgrade. That's heavy duty. Look at that thing. That's crazy. Freaking chain. Another ice pack. Dude, what? I mean, you might want one. I mean, you got, if you need it. But carrying around this much ice pack nonsense is kind of crazy. Puts you on the crazy train. Well, this could become a shelter or to keep you warm. So it's kind of a space blanket kind of thing. Whoa. Well, did I just discover something cool? What? Dude. You got the ammo and it comes with a slingshot. No freaking way. Do I trust that? Okay. I feel comfortable with that. Let's do that. Okay. Yep. Yep, that's a good one. That's cool. It has a slingshot. I've never gotten a slingshot. Never. Not in any of these kits. Space blanket. Space blanket. Dude. This has got, that could, plenty of shelter going on here. Oh, this is that net. It's for your mosquito net for your head. It doesn't matter what hat you have. It doesn't come with the hat. It's a mosquito net. What the heck is this? If it needs batteries, I think I've got batteries down here. If it's something like that. And then it's one of these things. Whoa. Is that a noise thing? I was just talking about these the other day. Forgot. Look, it's got the, I totally forgot. So you take this off right here on the end, and you put like some fishing line in it or something, or some of that tripwire stuff, and you just sort of tie that to a tree. You know, if someone comes along, psh, no freaking way. It has a light too, I think. Yeah. I was just talking about this. This is like really low budget security system right here. You can make your own trip. I know a lot of people do crazy stuff like IR lights and stuff, and they use IR cameras to see them, and all kinds of crazy stuff. You know, there's more than one way to skin a cat. Hand warmers. Never gotten those in one of these. That's the first. Let me get here. Body warmer. What? That's the first. You can just stick this to your butt. My butt always gets cold. And my belly. My belly gets cold. Dude. These are fancy, but that's shelter right there. You put the two of these together, you got a pretty good little shelter going on. Yeah, but wait, you already have a shelter. It comes with a tent. It comes with a tent and a slingshot. I am like what? Most times they don't come with that. Oh, it's one of these. This thing's loaded, dude. This is probably the most loaded bag I've ever gotten. What? Oh, that's cool. Does it take batteries? Oh, it's rechargeable. It's got motion sensor or just regular, just push the button. That's cool. Wow, that's nice. Alright. Lord have mercy. Wait, there's more. Lord have mercy. Oh, these are great. Magnetic. It has a prop up. You can also clip it to your keys. It has a bottle opener. You know, in case you need a bottle. Dude, these things are so freaking bright. And you can signal with them pretty good too. That's crazy. Oh, what's this over here? Dude, did that come out of that? Yeah, that came out of that. It's a knife. Wow. Okay, that's heavy duty. That thing's all freaking metal, son. It is all metal. Like the whole freaking thing is metal. I'm sure there's a reason for that, because over here you've got notches here for loosening up nuts and bolts, and then you've got a nice clip glass breaker back here. You could even use that as a freaking hammer. It's got some heft to it. Does not lock though. Yeah, it does not lock. It just slides, so you'd have to be careful with what you use that on. It does not lock. It's got a seatbelt cutter too. Don't care for the not locking thing. What's this little guy? Ha! A little multi-tool. You could use that for fishing. Some fishing work done. That's cool. It's got all your little tools in here. In there, you got like flatheads, Phillips, knife, little pocket knife. What's this guy? More light, huh? Looks like this is the last item on the list. Another freaking light. I don't think there's enough lights. You're gonna be able to see okay, I guess. Solar powered. It's got a solar panel here. It's got rechargeable section there. You can charge stuff too. You can plug it in here and charge your phone. It's like this guy. Wow. And it's got that guy. That's pretty cool. I guess that's it, guys. But I hope you guys enjoyed it. Go check this group out. I'll put the link in the drop down. Faith Guard. They got a good quantity of stuff here. That would definitely pay off. You could probably piece part some of this stuff out for another kit when you get it, because you don't need that many of those. Yeah, probably do like, you know, one of those, do one of these, throw that in another kit, throw this in another kit, split some of this in half, you know, instead of doing 2 of these, put 1 in the other kit. You can almost build 2 kits out of this. You got enough lights and stuff. Probably add another knife, another shovel, get you another slingshot. It's pretty cool stuff though. Anyways, please like, share, and subscribe if you haven't already, and God bless. Take care. Stay safe.